Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today's recipe is an egg curry, but it's not a regular egg curry. This will be an omelette curry. We can make this using the regular ingredients available at home. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's have a look at the ingredients required. In here I've got some coconut, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, fennel seeds and ginger. We'll make a paste out of this. I've already pureed 2 tomatoes and kept it ready. I have some chopped onions and sliced green chilies in here. I've also got 4 eggs, out of which we'll make an omelette. For the omelette we require turmeric powder, salt to taste, green chilies which are finely chopped, coriander leaves which are finely chopped and some finely chopped onions. For the tempering, you will need 2 red chilies, mustard seeds and cumin. We'll also need some oil to make this dish and also salt to taste. So let's start making the dish. I've placed a pan on fire and poured some oil into it. The flame is on medium. Now we add into it the mustard and cumin seeds. We'll allow it to splutter. Once it splutters, add in the dry red chili and cook for a minute. Now we'll add in the chopped onions and the slit green chilies. We'll cook the onions until they turn translucent. The onions have turned translucent and they've started browning a little. Now we'll add in the tomato puree. Mix it well and we'll cook it until the excess moisture dries up. Now you can see the moisture content has dried up. Now we'll add in the masala paste. This contains grated coconut, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, fennel seeds, cumin seeds and ginger. Let's add that in. Mix the masala really well. Now we'll add hot water into this to make a gravy. We'll cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. While the curry is boiling, let's make the omelette. I have the eggs in a bowl, into which I'll add finely chopped green chilies, coriander leaves, onion, turmeric and salt to taste. Let's add it into the eggs. Now we'll use a whisk and beat it really nicely to get a fluffy omelette. So the gravy has been cooking for 5 minutes with a lid. Now I've removed the lid and we'll let it cook open for another 5 minutes. I've also added salt to taste into it. Now I have a frying pan here with some oil heating up in it. It's on medium flame. Let's add the beaten egg into the pan. So to get a very fluffy omelette, always make sure that you scramble the omelette once you pour it into the pan. This will give texture to the omelette as well as make it really fluffy. Cover with the lid and cook it for some time. Once done, flip it to the other side and cook for a few minutes. Once the omelette is ready, first cut vertical strips like this. Then cut horizontally like this to form squares. Now the gravy is ready, into which we'll add the omelette squares. Mix it gently. I'll allow this to cook for 5 minutes. The gravy is cooked and the omelette is absorbed the gravy. This is ready. You can serve this hot with some rice. So the curry is ready. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.